Okay, for the next part, on the main part of the lesson, we are looking at some concrete resources, some pictorial resources, and using it to write some written number sentence, a repeated addition, and then we're looking at the multiplication sign because that is what our focus, our learning intention is. So what do you see? I see one group, two group, three groups, and I know they're equal and they've got 4 in each. So just like we normally do, there are 3 equal groups of 4. If we were to write that as a repeated addition, we've got 4, add 4, add 4 equals 12. When we look at the multiplication sign, we look at equal groups. Equal groups of just means times or multiply. So we can just swap those words there, equal groups of, and put the times sign there. So our multiplication sentence would be simply 3 times 4 equals 12. If we were to read that and swap the times for groups of, it would just be 3 equal groups of 4, which we have. Now the groups have changed. We have one group and two groups of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got two groups, 6, add 6, and we know the answer is 12 because we haven't added any cubes, we haven't taken any away. It's the same as before. And remember, when we do the times, we can just take away or swap its equal groups of and put the times sign there. So it would be 2 times 6, which equals 12. If we were to read this, it would be 2 times 6 equals 12, or we could say 2 multiplied by 6 equals 12. We could say 2 equal groups of 6 equals 12. Okay, so that times sign, don't be worried by that. Just think, when you see that sign, you think of equal groups of. Here we have 4 dice. 4 dice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we need to think of that as a group. So we've got 4 groups, and there are 2 in each group. 2, add 2, add 2, add 2. Because they're all equal, we can skip count. 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, but if we were to put that in a repeated addition sentence, 2, add 2, add 2, add 2 equals 8. There are 4 equal groups of 2. So remember, when we think about equal groups, we can just swap those words and use the multiplication sign. So there are 4 equal groups of 2, or 4 times 2. And the answer is 8. Can you have a go at question 1 and 2 on the worksheet, please?